Assalamu alaikum class 8. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. It's your chemistry class and I'm your chemistry teacher. We are going to start our second chapter, our second lecture of chemistry, which is atomic structure. First of all, we will learn about what is an atom and what is the atomic structure of an atom. So, let's start. Dear students, everything in this world is made up of an atom. This is just an imaginary picture of an atom. Real atoms are too tiny to see. We cannot see them. Atoms only can be seen under a very special microscope. Now let's study the word atom. Atom is a Greek word arrived from atomos, which means indivisible. Which means, students, you neither divide it nor cut it. Atom is undividable and uncuttable. Now, we will learn about the Dalton's atomic theory. Who is Dalton and what is this theory? John Dalton was an English scientist who is well known for his work in the development of atomic theory. In 1808, a school teacher, John Dalton of England, presented a scientific theory on the existence of atom. Now, the postulates of Dalton atomic theory are: he said all matter, whether an element, a compound, or a mixture, is made up of very tiny particles called atom. Now students, there are some elements. Now let's see, are they equal in size or not? These are same elements, students. And remember this, an atom with same elements always has same size. Now check the mass, and yes, as you can see, they have same mass, means same weight. What it shows? It shows that they both have same chemical properties. We have seen an atom with same elements. Now we will learn about an atom with different elements. Now we will have different elements. Let's see how they will work. Atoms of different elements differ in size, mass, and chemical properties. Now, let's understand this statement, how they are. As you can see in the picture, they are different in sizes. It shows, yes, they have different size. Now students, if we talk about their masses, as you can see in the picture, they have different mass, means different weight. What it shows, students, it means definitely they have different chemical properties. Now let's understand what makes up an atom, how atom forms. Atom has a particle called proton, electron, and the last particle is the neutron. As atom has 3 particles. There are 118 kinds of atoms, students. Each of these tiny particles does something special. For example, it's the number of proton inside an atom which makes each element different. As we have learned difference of elements, students, that difference was because of the presence of proton numbers. And proton is a positively charged particle. Now we will learn about electrons. The electrons are much smaller than protons and they are zip around an atom, making an electron cloud. As you can see in the picture, a cloud is there. And remember one thing, students, an element always has same number of electrons and protons. and an electron always carries a negative charge. Now come to the next particle, which is neutron. Why do an atom needs neutron? Dear students, neutron is present in the nucleus of an atom. Neutron has no charge on it. Neutron and proton make a strong force which binds the atom. For short, it works like glue to hold the nucleus together. If there were no neutron, everything will disperse and be hydrogen. So dear students, an electron is always denoted by E. Proton is denoted by small p or capital H plus. And neutron is denoted by small n. So dear students, you have come to know about what is an atom, what is the atomic structure of an atom, and the particles of an atom. Now I am assigning you your homework. Your homework is you have to solve question number 1. What is an atom composed of? Number 2 is atoms of a particular element are different or same. Question number 3 is tell the charges of electron, proton and neutron. We have learned about these charges. You have to write those. Question number 4 is tell the differences among electron, proton and neutron. Now for this question, what you have to do, you will make 3 charts or 3 columns on same paper and mark with electron, proton and neutron and write down their differences. Our last question is which is the smallest of 3 particles of an atom? You have to solve these questions and send us to our school WhatsApp number. Allah Hafiz.